This is Risa Polanski reporting from Miami today. In his new role as Dean of the University of Miami's Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science, Dr. Roni Avissar plans to better prepare his students for the real world and better prepare the real world for weather and climate issues such as hurricanes. In the works are new one-year master's programs to better prepare students for professional careers and a new building to house research programs such as hurricane prediction. He joins us for this week's profile.
In the past, or at least until now, the focus for most young adults has been in getting a first degree, the bachelor, right? Many of them continue beyond that to in graduate studies or masters, but many of them also stop after that level and go and work or try to find a job outside the university. It is becoming more and more complicated, okay, for younger adults to be able to get a good job, okay, at the level of the bachelor. So, having said that, the university have a role and a mission of trying to educate the younger adult into a more advanced degree than the bachelor. So, one of the activities that I am looking at very carefully is develop what we call professional masters. And professional masters are 1 year intense study that is capped, if you prefer, by an internship, where the students get an equivalent of about 8 classes plus a summer internship, and complete a degree which has the master's level that is more focused toward getting and work in the real world. So in marine and atmospheric science, there are in fact great opportunities, and there is a huge need. Okay, let's take for example the hurricane business, right? So you can look at every activity that is going on around hurricane, which is certainly a core of what we are doing here in Miami. Well, you have the hurricane forecasting, for instance. So being able to take young adults from the bachelor level, where they get a broad education in meteorology, and target an education where they become experienced forecasters that can, after they complete their degree, can go and work at the National Hurricane Center, or work into, as a good, robust forecaster for all kinds of organizations, including the insurance business, including, fisheries. There is a need for that. And so we are going to develop programs that are particularly focused on doing this type of activities. You can think of many activities related to ocean and atmospheric sciences in general that are relevant to that. Let me give you another example. A lot of human health aspects come from the fact that disease propagates, come from ocean or from coastal areas. Understanding better the mechanism and targeting health, human health, student to understand better the way that the ocean is triggering disease. There is also a need for this type of activities.